people, it's me, Kira. Hi, hello, hi. So today in this video I am joined by Tash again, which you all seem to love her in the mukbang video we posted on Monday even.
Yeah, Monday.
So today in this video we're going to be doing a style swap makeup video.
Yeah.
Meaning that I am going to give Tash a photo on my phone of a makeup style that I've done, and vice versa. I'm quite
out there.
I do use a lot of colours,
Like bright makeup.
yeah, and then Tash is quite
nude,
like
pinky.
subtle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I don't think it actually suits me, like bright colours.
I'll do bright colour look on you later.
Okay. Thank you.
So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started.
Yes.
So let's swap over the photos. We actually have not seen these photos yet. Okay. Thank you. So yeah, as I guessed, quite nude.
Mm.
And yours is quite pink.
Yeah.
I'm gonna prime.
I'm not.
Do you use primer?
No. But my thumb.
Well, no, it's a style swap. I can't use primer if you don't use primer.
Oh, you should probably.
You can use primer. You just drop it into your face. Drop.
Drop, drop, drop.
And then you blend it with your hands.
Yeah.
So
I might use this one, this mirror instead.
okay. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation.
I love Bare Minerals.
Yeah. And Tash.
Wait, why is it pink?
And Tash uses foundation, and I can see in the photo it's got reasonably full coverage, so that's what we're going to go for.
So is it like
My pump ain't working.
my pump ain't working?
Well, I think it's blocked.
Hey, why ain't it working? It's not working.
Well,
It's empty. It's empty. Why did you give me an empty bottle?
The bottle isn't empty. They're just the prepare.
Prepare.
Oh, that's my highlighter. Oh, my mirror even.
Well done. I've never used one of these on my face before. That sounded so weird. Do you want a primer? Okay, don't answer me then.
I'm putting on foundation now. Plus you don't use primer. Can't
I
you?
don't care. I'm wearing primer.
Well, yeah, because I use primer, so you can wear primer.
I don't use primer though.
Well, no, that's why I'm not.
I would be using the CYO Long Lasting Foundation. I can't say.
Lasting foundation.
Shut up. Yeah. I'm using the Bare Minerals Brow Master Brow Gel in Universal Taupe. Which way is it? Fine.
I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil because Tash uses the pencil.
Yeah, I use a pencil first.
I'm using my usual Revolution Pro Brow Pomade. Just the usual I use every time I do my brows. Did you forget to get a mirror?
Yeah.
I'm going to set my face with the Revolution Press Powder. Because Tash sets her face. I don't actually set my face with like press powder. I usually bake.
Ah, not my ball. I have a thing about eyeballs now, don't I?
Go check out
our
last video if you don't know what we're on.
Yeah.
In the bloopers section, there's bloopers at the end.
Yeah, I always have to say to the end of these videos nowadays.
And I expect there'll be a bloopers
in this
at the end
video.
of this video too. Powdered Wait, I don't put it on my face. Oh,
You've got like, oh, there as well. You didn't quite go to there.
it's fine. They can't see that bit. Okay. Now what to do?
I'm not used to doing my makeup like this. I'm used to standing up in front of a mirror and doing my makeup. I mean, my eyebrows look all bright now.
Yes, yes I do.
What do I do now?
Eyeshadow now.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, Jesus Christ. Right, base. What colour? Or all over? Even like up there?
Quite herb. I won't use that brush, but I won't use that brush.
Alright, tell me which brush you would use.
A fluffier one.
I've only got that one, and that one.
That one. Now I'm using my Hourglass bronzer in the shade Ambient. Oh, nude light, nude bronze light. Highlighter. I'm using the Huda Beauty highlighting palette. This is the
Oh yeah,
Golden Sands edition.
yeah. I'm using is it Huda?
Huda, yeah.
Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and right now I've got that one.
Eden, I think it's called.
Yeah, Eden. There.
The mukbang video, hilarious.
Yeah. Honestly, it's so good.
Okay, so I'm gonna prep my lid with the Colour Tattoo 24 Hour
I don't think this
pigment thing. Now for the rest of my eyeshadow, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette because I feel like this one's quite nude.
Oh no!
I take the colour Salted Caramel, which is this one here, quite nude, I reckon. So, I mean, I'm not using the same palette as Tash. I've gone in the crease, whoops.
It don't matter. I mean, I go in the crease, but I don't go like over my crease. Over my crease.
Mascara I'm using is the...
Do you go all over the lid?
No, just in a bit.
That's the doorbell. Right. And the door's locked.
What was I doing?
Was that one right?
Mascara, flip it.
Wait, where did you actually put it? Oh my god!
Everything on the floor.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so these sunglasses from photoshoot.com. Pretty cute.
Wow. Which one's my bronzer? That one. So for the bronzer, I'll be using the Ted Baker Bronze and Highlight Compact, but it doesn't say what shade it is.
Got my jumper. Cute.
I've already used this multiple times. My friend's got that, but in like a blue.
When we watch that back, I might laugh.
It's not showing. Let's feel. It's so fluffy! Oh my god!
Yo, if you're loving this stuff, followersheep.com is the place to go. This is so soft. What the hell? Oh, that little zipper bag.
That's so cool.
That's cute. What, the bag and the t-shirt?
Both.
Cute. So yeah, this is my slave t-shirt. Honestly, I can't even express to you how many great things there are.
Right, for highlight, I'll be using the Revolution Skin Kiss in Golden Kiss. You can see that I've used this so many times, and it's broken as well. But
Take it.
no, it's easy to just. That's so nice.
You don't want anyone to see your notifications.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the lipstick I'll be using is the Charlotte Tilbury. Hepburn Honey.
That's it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Like all the beauty guru things. Ooh, hello.
So
Hello.
we both said that at the same time.
I swear we're honestly in sync.
Yeah. So guys, that is the end of this video. This is the finished product. We'll do a close
Finished.
The finished.
Well done.
This is the finished product. We will do a close up at the end of this video. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below anything you have to say. Check out followersheep.com and designsundays.com. Links are in the description. PO box is in the description. Subscribe to me. I'm now at 394 subscribers, so I need 6 more until I reach 400, which will be such a big milestone for me. So yes, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed
Our video.
I just hope you guys enjoyed.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye!